Hello my friends, welcome to Trading Weekends. Today is 2nd of July 2025. So today market still got some momentum. US got slight drop. US already got big rebound. Maybe we will retrace a bit, but whether long term or not, of course we got our model, our this Dow Jones model to follow lah. If the model fail, then we have to be careful lah. If the model still hold, then probably just a short term retracement lah. Okay. Today Bursa still generally still okay lah. Generally still okay. Still looks, let me see, yeah, still slight positive. Okay, so quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer, be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's check out global market. Now is 4:37 so market almost close okay. Now it's 1544 KLSE, okay, up 3.16 points, 0.205%. Singapore up 0.417%. Hong Kong up 0.620%. South Korea dropped 0.472%. Japan dropped 0.560%. Thailand dropped 0.037%. Thailand got issues. Political, okay, looks like their prime minister having some problem to stay in power So that's why this one we have to be careful investing here. Okay, A50 China up 0.110%, SSE China dropped 0.085%, SXSE China dropped 0.608%, Australia up 0.663%, Taiwan up 0.106%, and Indian Nifty dropped 0.521%, so slightly weak. Okay, Asia today. Look at Europe, FTSE up 0.143% and DAX up 0.526%, so slight positive. Look at yesterday night, Dow Jones still strong, 0.908% up, NYSE up 0.540%, S&P dropped 0.112%, and Nasdaq dropped 0.819%. So the tech starting to retrace a bit, but these Dow Jones okay, these conservative stock still strong okay. Defensive stock still strong. Okay, and look at crude palm oil 3,912 not strong, Brent oil 67 not strong, crude oil 65 not strong. Oil, be careful okay. I see some analysts talking about oil potential going to 50 over okay. Gold 3,346, silver 36.27 still holding, still quite okay still holding quite strong. Dollar 4.2205, so up slightly. Bitcoin also up a bit, 107, and Ethereum 2448. Okay, look at Bursa. Not yet closed, okay, Bursa. Okay, 1546 now. KLCI 4.51 points up, 0.29% up. Volume also big today. With the foreign fund, volume is getting bigger, so easily almost hit 3 billion, 2.970 billion. Sentiments 50, gainers 483, losers 471, unchanged 501, and untrade 938. Okay, yesterday foreign fund, okay, net buy 107,000, and local institution net buy 107 million okay. Net buy foreign fund, local institution net sell 23 million, and local retail net sell 84 million. Okay, today not too strong not too strong. Gamuda still slowly moving up. Look at the sector, construction up 0. All in percentage, construction up 0.86. Let me double check the sound. Okay, consumer up 0.45, energy up 0.77, finance up 0.23, healthcare up 0.31, industry up 0.06, plantation drop 0.07, property up 0.14, REIT up 0.14, technology up 0.5, telco up 0.13, transportation up 0.65, utilities up 0.52. Look at chart, KLCI. Okay. So there's some resistance here, KLCI heading here. Okay, so there's some heading towards some resistance. Okay, so there could be a retracement, but you see, already make higher high. Okay, so the trajectory, the trend, okay, is moving higher whether it can sustain higher, we don't know yet. But generally, okay, the direction is turning towards bullish. Okay, because already make a higher high. Okay, so it might, it got resistance here, it might turn a bit, make a lower high, but hopefully if it don't drop below here, it still can continue up you see, this market doesn't go up straight line so it may be up a bit, maybe retrace a bit. As long as it's making this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, okay, it's still turning to bullish and you see the red color momentum just came in which is good the red color momentum just started to, okay, up 0.24% now. Each market dropped 0.68. Each market today not so strong. Let's see what's the candlestick pattern. A little bit bearish, but still okay. It looks like turning sideways. Okay. Mid cap still okay. Slight momentum up 0.13. Small cap also slight momentum up 0.23. Looks like a hanging man. Okay, so it could be a retracement. Okay, could be a retracement coming. Okay, look at construction. Construction already break out okay, so construction potential can even up, come up to 322 area. Other than that, no other sector is strong today. Okay, slightly strong, yes, but not very strong okay. Okay, look at Facebook. Yeah, Facebook, I got post this one JT Group. Okay, and also my this coffee.com okay, I got put my this QR code wait. Put my QR code here so if you want to belanja me coffee now, easy or just scan the QR code. Okay, you can belanja me coffee. No need to go to Visa, all this so people say very difficult have to use PayPal, credit card, Visa, all this now you just use the scan my QR code if you want to belanja me coffee So today I got update this JT Group. Okay, we got head and shoulder, slight head and shoulder, so potential big breakout of this channel okay, potential breakout of this channel here. Okay, as long as stay above 0.37 stay above this neckline, the price stay above neckline, okay, got chance to go okay. And also we got this also got posts other than JT Group. Side Park, okay, we saw this we got this triangle okay, it just broke out from this triangle, okay, so it should got chance to go, okay, higher okay. Of course there's others Penta, Netgate, okay, Ethereum, this one quite old already. On DNEX failed already I got update here, DNEX failed. SNS still okay. CBTech really start to move quite strong. CBTech really start to climb very strong. So AMD also already break out, already quite almost reached target already, remember, right? So all this starting to move I'm not saying straight away it will fly up okay, because these are the pattern doesn't tell you how fast you go there, but we got higher probability that it will go up. Okay, it will go up to target area rather than it drop but no guarantee, nothing guarantee in the market. Okay. Even Warren Buffett also cannot guarantee profit okay. Because long term is profitable because it's using long term fundamental investment okay. And of course he can actually, those big company that he have every investment he can actually ask the management to do something means it's that big influence okay, means he can change the company management also direction. Okay. What else? 3 comment. Tango very high lah. Oh. Tango already say Tango very high lah. Tango very high lah. Oh. Tango just starting to come down lah. I'm not very keen lah. It's just starting to come down. Oh. Really very high lah. I mean, why you don't want to buy, or when it's flying high, when you're flying like flying like crazy, or now you want to buy? I mean, now already very high. From 2.20 cents you want to buy, 90 cents starting to drop. Now it's like on its way like that. You want to buy, when it's flying high up, you don't want to buy. Also, I think better not lah. I'm not saying cannot go higher lah, but I don't think this is a very good thing to buy during when other department, other sector are starting to climb. Okay. Young after this one is scam, a lot of scam lah. So today I got highlight this JT Group and SaiPark. Okay. CEB I already talked many times already. Look at the CEB lah. Okay lah, just take a quick look lah. CEB I already talked many times already lah. CEB. Okay. CEB we can break volume, break to 30 cents lah. So not yet break to 30 cents right? I already highlighted many times. Or volume break to 30 cents, then you want to then you want to look lah. I mean, it could be making a bottom lah. I'm not saying it will bull market, but a rebound maybe come to 0.39, still got chance lah. But now not much momentum. Red color could come in a bit, or you want to try. But I'm not very keen. Now got so many stock. We talked about so many stock last few days, right? Okay, I highlighted so many, right? So I'm not saying this one cannot lah, but I'm not very keen lah. Cup and handle Tanjong, James. This is not cup and handle lah. This is a flat pattern. Flat pattern lah. This we cannot, because it doesn't look. I mean, it look a bit like a cup lah, but very weird cup lah. Okay, cup is like that lah. Cup is a bit round lah. This is not so round lah. A bit like a cup and handle, but you can see lah. This is a flat pattern lah. So the next target should be coming here lah. At least say lah, that day Tanjong I got share, right? So already broken out. So Tanjong got chance to go to this target. Okay, I don't know which video I got talked about Tanjong. Okay. Intel, AMD already break out already. AMD already. AMD from the breakout here, continue up now, retrace a bit lah. So it's still potential, it still can go lah. Or haven't reached the target, still got quite far lah. But you have to let it run lah. This heavyweight stock will not fly straight up one lah. Intel you have to wait also lah. Intel. Okay, Intel you have to wait also lah. It's still sideways lah. Okay, so Intel you have to wait to restructure everything lah. CEB, I'm not keen lah. CEB, you want to try? I think possible there is a rebound lah, but I'm not keen lah. Okay. Okay, look at others. A lot of scammer nowadays. John Sniper, clap. A lot of scammers Okay. Tanjong. Pharma. Look at Pharma today. Pharma already adjusted I think today. Okay. Okay lah. Pharma is sideways now. Slowly slanting up lah. So it just have to wait for the market is not like they are very keen to play also, but there is some support lah. So it all depends on the now lah. Okay. It's slowly moving up lah, but I think everything depends on the this restructure lah, restructuring plan lah. I think everything depends on that lah. Okay. Would you like to subscribe to Pharma right issue, right? Pharma right, I don't think you want to hold so much now lah, because there is a possibility that it might get delisted, right? Okay, so John Sniper, very nice. Okay. SaiPark already posted that day. Okay, I post again today. SaiPark. Did I? Oh no. Okay. Okay, remember you want to just check out all these only chart only. Okay, it's all chart only that I post. It's in coffee.com, ko-fi.com, trading with KS. Okay, look at the news.
VELESTO wins RM168mil drilling services contract. VELESTO Drilling SDNBHD has clinched drilling contracts from PTTEP Offshore Limited and PTTEP Sarawak Oil Limited for the provision of 110K jackup drilling rig.
Okay, VELESTO could be double bottom, but it need to break 19 cent. So we have to wait for it to break through 19 cent. Also, volume also don't have average volume 23 million, now 4 million, so it doesn't have the to push up for now lah. Okay, don't have the power, don't have the energy to push up lah. We have to wait and see lah. Okay.
Kerjaya Prospect buys land in KL for RM112.8 mil, forms JV with Aspen for Penang project.
Okay, so there is
Construction and property firm Kerjaya Prospect Group BHD, KL, KERJAYA, has announced two major property moves. A RM112.8 million acquisition of land in Kuala Lumpur and the formation of a joint venture, JV, for a mixed-use development in Penang.
Okay, one project in Penang lah, another land in in Kuchai 9 mile Kuchai Road lah. Future development lah. Okay, so there's two lah. One is JV in Penang, one is purchase land to develop in Kuchai lah, KL lah. Okay. So Kerjaya unable to break to 2.12 lah. So this one okay, double top here, so you see the neckline is unable to break through lah. For now, you have to continue wait and see lah. You need to have volume stay above 2.12, then probably got chance to go higher lah. So it really move a lot lah. You see, right? So it really move quite a lot lah. This one now it's just potential. I think it's making all the bank target near here lah. So it really reached very near to all this bank target area lah. So I mean the window I think is quite small lah. If you want to go up, I think the window is not that so big anymore.
KLSE clinches RM17.1 mil AI chip design contract.
Wow,
Sees
see recurring revenue potential. So okay.
Fabless semiconductor firm KLSE BHD, KL, KEYASIC, said on Tuesday it has secured an artificial intelligence AI chip design contract valued at RM13.1 million from what it described as a leading technology company involved in the design, development, manufacturing, and sale of semiconductor-based products.
Okay, KLSE is jackpot lah. You have to play like jackpot lah. Okay, nobody know when you fly, but every few years you fly one time lah. But when you fly, it goes a lot lah. Okay, it goes like 1,000%, a few 100%, 300%. Okay, this spike is like 200%. Okay, so not 1,000 sorry, not 1,000, 1,000 other. Okay, so every time big spike so when you're buying, I mean it always go back when it's very low lah, like 22 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent lah. Whenever it spike, so whenever there is big news it will spike one time, but we don't know when so this news didn't call you to spike lah. Maybe we have to wait lah. This is like jackpot lah. You keep some long term a few years, it might spike one time lah. So you might get 100, 200, 300% just like that lah. Okay, but this is not like long term investment kind of company lah. I mean a chart lah. Okay, I'm not saying the company not good lah. This chart is not for long term investment. This is like you keep some there like a jackpot lah. You kena don't kena so never mind or something like that lah. Okay. Semaiden.
SUPERLN in RM17mil land purchase.
Okay. Solar farm.
In a filing with BURSA Malaysia, the renewable energy solutions provider said the proposed acquisition will see the emergence of the company as owners of the land on which solar farms will be developed.
Okay, probably still got chance to go to the top channel lah, the bank target here lah. Okay, but the window is not very big, but still got chance to go lah.
AVALAND buys PJBUMI for RM49mil. In a filing with BURSA Malaysia, AVALAND said the proposed acquisition represents a strategic step in expanding the group's presence within the vibrant and thriving township of Petaling Jaya.
So this one is doing a channel lah. You also need to break out first lah. Okay, at least need to break out here lah. It's 30 cents .
Genting releases China coal-fired power plant.
Okay.
In a statement, Genting said the handover marked the company's strategy in moving away from further investments in coal-fired power projects, supporting its long-term commitment to building a cleaner, more sustainable energy portfolio.
Okay. So it's selling lah, handed over lah. I don't know sell or. Okay, 49% own lah. Okay, so hand over to Meizhou 1 power plant . Okay, Meizhou 1 power plant. Okay, so Genting is still struggling at 3 ringgit lah. Hopefully it stay there long term. Maybe it can turn around lah. Okay.
Eurozone to accept Trump's universal tariffs.
Okay. So Eurozone also accepted the tariff lah.
The European Union, EU, is willing to accept a trade arrangement with the United States that includes a 10% universal tariff on many of the bloc's exports, but wants the United States to commit to lower rates on key sectors such as pharmaceuticals, alcohol, semiconductors and commercial aircraft. The EU is also pushing the United States for quotas and exemptions to effectively lower Washington's 25% tariff on automobiles and car parts, as well as its 50% tariff on steel and aluminum. According to people familiar with the matter, the European Commission, which handles trade matters for the EU, views this arrangement as slightly favoring the United States, but still something it could agree to, said the people, who spoke on the condition of anonymity.
Okay, so now China already, Trump said China already signed the peace deal lah. No, not peace deal. It's not the war, the trade deal. Okay, already signed the trade deal. Also, the trade war with China most likely settle lah. Okay, now Europe also already agree with the tariff lah, or with the US. Okay, so most likely the trade war also settle lah. Okay, and who else? Vietnam. Vietnam going to almost, I think also almost settle. Japan still talking. Canada still talking. Canada is supposed to have this digital tax, right? Then after Trump say no more discussion, no more trade discussion. Then they also waive retracted the digital tax, all this lah. So a few more lah. I think now they escalating. Most of the country are those who haven't go and discuss, those and didn't go and nego one. They will have to accept whatever all these US imposed to them lah. Of course they still can nego lah. US want business only lah. You give them business, definitely can nego one lah. Business, I mean it's businessmen lah. They want business. Okay.
US Treasury Chief thinks Fed could lower interest rates by September.
September lah. So most of the analysts also expecting September lah. Okay. not July 啦。
Tariff. Positive response from US to Malaysia's approach.
Okay, so Malaysia also looks like they say also positive lah. Okay, on the tariff.
The United States, US, has responded positively to Malaysia's approach and engagements on tariff issues and proposals, said Finance Minister Tun Datuk Seri Amir Hamzah Azizan. He said Malaysia's proactive engagement and approach with the US is to understand the issues involved and to work together to navigate a path to find a win-win situation.
Okay.
PWRWELL accepts RM17.6 meters switchboard
Million.
orders for hyperscale data center project.
Okay. Elmina Business Park. Okay, hyperscale data center lah. This one Elmina Business Park Selangor. Okay.
In a filing with BURSA Malaysia on Tuesday, the electrical products manufacturer said its wholly owned subsidiary, Kejuruteraan PWRWELL SDNBHD, had received the POs from RYBE Engineering, SDNBHD, Protech Builders SDNBHD, and LFE Engineering SDNBHD.
Okay, so first target 56 cents, second target 70 cents lah. Okay, so auto profit use your take out your lightsaber, no sell signal. Okay, should be okay lah. Okay, keep going up.
Banking sector, oversold, despite resilient fundamentals, says Kananga Research.
Okay, so Kananga is still overweight on bank.
Kananga, which maintained its overweight call on the banking sector, cited robust fundamentals and a potential turnaround in valuations, with its top picks for the third quarter of 2025 being AMMB Holdings BHD, KL, Ambank, CIMB Group Holdings BHD, KL, CIMB, and Malayan Banking BHD, KL, Maybank.
Oh, this is not a good news.
Data centers in Malaysia to pay 10% to 15% more for electricity, analysts say.
Okay.
Data centers in Malaysia may see their electricity bills rise by up to 15% under the new power tariff structure, analysts said. The power-hungry facilities will be placed under a new, ultra-high voltage, category with average tariffs of about 60 sen per kilowatt-hour. According to the analysts who attended an investor briefing by Tenaga Nasional BHD, KL, TENAGA. For a 100 megawatt facility, the revisions would mean an additional cost of up to RM63 million annually, according to Public Investment Bank's estimates.
Yeah, hopefully will not affect 85% of population Malaysia lah. Because data center, I'm not sure lah. Data center, I think data center, every transaction that we do on the phone actually go through data center, I think lah. But hopefully it won't affect lah, everyone lah.
Petronas Gas Berdepan Impact Kewangan RM6.
Petronas Gas Berdepan impak kewangan 60 juta ringgit insiden Putra Heights.
Okay. That gas lah. So let's see. Gas still high lah. Still not like dropping like. Okay. But it's a bit too high to chase lah. Okay, quick message before we continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. Some of my friends are remiser lah, very friendly guy lah. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this trading view, this chart software that I'm using lah. You can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link lah. Okay. Okay. Let's check out top gainers. Today not that many lah, but still okay lah. YTL, Jaya Jasa, NAIM. YTL I didn't put in the chart I should have put in the chart also lah. So YTL okay, we expect a rebound okay, after the break of the channel lah. The break of the channel, we expect a rebound up to 2.75, maybe even slightly higher lah. Okay, this resistance here and this resistance here lah. Okay. Long term bullish, I'm not. We have to wait and see lah. But as long as it's going up, just hold lah. Okay. For now, okay. Jaya Tiasa, plantation not that keen lah. Trying to rebound, but the double top here now is I think still flat lah. No doubt today it moved quite a lot, or 4% up lah. But I'm not very keen yet lah. Until maybe unless it break through here lah. Jaya Tiasa, this double top here. Maybe watch 1.21 lah. Okay. NAIM breakout, fail, come back down. This one better not touch first lah. It's not doing. The first breakout already failed lah. Okay, so SUPERLN. SUPERLN, we might have a rebound lah. Red color came in, volume 60k, 59k. So this one we got big resistance here lah. Okay, here. Okay, so it's trying to break through lah. Okay, 70. Okay, 81 cent lah. So 80 cent lah. Tomorrow break out, I think it still can go higher lah. Okay, it still can go higher for this one. So I think the big resistance is here lah. You have to watch this one lah. Okay, 90 cent you have to watch lah. Okay, JT Group. GT Group okay, we got head and shoulder here, reversal, breakout, also volume 800,000 to 4 million lah. So suddenly we got the channel breakout. So this one got chance 4.9, 5.5. Okay, hopefully can continue go. Side part. Okay, side part I said many times lah. So it break up from triangle, so hopefully it can come to this 1.1, 1.2 area lah. Okay, MPI. Side part also volume up lah, 4 million average to 7 million. Okay, MPI have it broken through? Okay, MPI already broken through already lah. Okay, resistance to 21.28 lah. So hopefully it can continue up to this area. 27. Okay. We got a downtrend trend line lah. Okay, downtrend line already broken through. Okay, so looks okay for now. Heineken. Okay, Heineken still in the channel lah. Heineken we have to adjust a bit lah. Okay, due to the dividend lah. Also the chart. Okay, Heineken I think near the target. I think near the target area lah. Okay, no. A bit high to chase now lah, I think. PJBUMI goring one, I have to be careful. Okay, goring gao. This one. I don't dare to touch. After spike up, I don't dare to touch 17% today. Okay, still strong lah, but don't buy after a big. I think not a good time to buy after a big push lah. Industry have to break 2.94 first. Today got some momentum, but better break 2.94 first. Maxi unable to break through the channel, also you need to break through 3.78, or you got some momentum but not enough to break through lah. Okay, Yinsen. Okay. Okay, Yinsen have momentum 2.44 breaking to 2.44. Okay, so Yinsen potential still can go okay. I think the big resistance is here lah. So Yinsen actually got some momentum coming okay. Yinsen, but I'm not very keen to chase oil and gas I'm not very keen for now. Okay, but look like we got a kind of head and shoulder. There's chance for it to go up here 2.9. As long as stay above 2.26 you want to try Yinsen as long as stay above 2.26. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.